Hello everyone, I'm Gagandeep Kaur, student of NMIT Global Campus Auckland. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to configure a DNS for the web application. First of all, I would like to explain you a little bit about my project. My project is a web application about the dinosaurs. In this dinosaur, we are going to sell dinosaurs to the customers. For that, we have created a reference architecture for that. First of all, this application was running into the local host, but after applying some changes and providing the services of the AWS to that application, we have moved that application from the local host to the cloud. And this whole process is divided into 10 labs. We use some different services of the AWS to make it highly available on the cloud, like elastic load balancing, scaling, queuing service, and DynamoDB session state. In the 10th lab, I'm going to explain you how to configure a DNS. So to configure a DNS for the web application, I'm going to use Route 53 service of the AWS. This Route 53 service is a DNS web service that connects the end user to the infrastructure running in the AWS cloud. Basically, this service translates the names into the IP addresses so that our computers can communicate and easily find the site that users are looking for. So let's begin with the lab. We'll sign into the AWS console and select the Route 53 service. In the Route 53 service, we will go to the DNS management. In the DNS management, we will create a hosted zone, which is actually a collection of source record sets for that specified domain. In this hosted zone, we will write the domain. To write that domain, we have to create a domain. I have created a domain in the Freenom website and select the free one domain, that is cloudfuture.tk. You can name it what you want to name to your domain. So we will write the domain that we have created in Freenom website, cloudfuture.tk, and in the comments we will write any comment so that it can be easily identifiable for us, and we will keep it as public hosted zone. So create this zone because we want to access this application publicly. You will see that hosted zone automatically give us two record sets. One is NS and another one is SOA. This NS is basically a name servers. This NS records identify the 4 name servers that give DNS service so that DNS queries are routed to the 53 name servers. You will select that name servers and you will see that there are 4 name servers values, and you have to copy these 4 values and paste in the domain that you have created in the Freenom. You can create it anywhere where you want to create your domain, and we will copy each and every name server and paste it here and change the name servers in the domains. And another record set is a SOA. This record set identify the base DNS information about the domain. So we will create another record set. We have to create another record set because we have to set this record to tell the DNS how we want to traffic to be routed in that domain. So we will select IPv4 addresses. For that you can select IPv6 as you want to, but we are going to select IPv4 address and selecting alias for that, and the alias target will give the target name dinosaur LB. In this basically we will select that alias target because it will give the information about the domain to which we are going to redirect the traffic. So we have created a load balancer to handle that traffic, so we will select load balancer as a alias target here. You can select any routing policy, but we are going to proceeding with the simple one, and we will not select any target health here and create that record set. After creating a record set, we will write a domain in the web server, cloudfuture.tk. Cloud Future. You will see that there should be nothing because we have created it now. So it will take some times because we have changed the name servers. For that it will take near about 4 to 5 hours to be changed, because all the queries are handled by the name servers. So I'll proceed with the domain that I have created earlier. You will see that after writing your domain name, you will enter into the IAS server, and we have to write our folder name of the web application and enter that. We will see that we have entered into our web application. So by using the root 53, we have changed our domain name for our web application. So we have successfully changed our domain for that. Thank you for watching my video, and please give me your feedback and valuable comments. Thank you very much.